Got a UNK file from a Shimadzu UVProbe spectrophotometer. This contains spectroscopy measurement data from laboratory analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and analyze these UVProbe data files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor UNK errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. Files are spectroscopy data files created by Shimadzu UVProbe software used with UV visible spectrophotometers for chemistry and analytical laboratory applications. They contain absorbance or transmittance measurements across wavelength ranges, along with sample information measurement parameters and instrument calibration data. UNK files use Shimadzu's proprietary binary format. Storing wavelength scan data point pairs with metadata headers, including sample name measurement, date, instrument settings, and operator information. The structure encodes high-precision floating point measurement values aligned with corresponding wavelength values for spectral analysis. The UNK proprietary design mandates association with UVProbe from Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. The first action is to find a successful opener. Right-click the UNK file and click Open With. Test UVProbe if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option in the list. If your UNK file will not open, do not worry. This format is tricky. Since the UNK file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, opening in UVProbe software. Install Shimadzu UVProbe software, which natively reads UNK files. Launch UVProbe and use File then Open to load the data file. The application displays the spectrum graph with full measurement parameters and provides analysis tools for peak detection, quantitative calculations, and report generation. Next, exporting to standard formats. Within UVProbe, export the data to ASCII text or CSV format using the File menu Export option. This creates a tabular format with wavelength and absorbance columns readable in Excel Origin or any spectroscopy analysis software. Standard format export ensures long-term data accessibility beyond the UVProbe software lifecycle. Finally, analyzing in third-party tools. After exporting to CSV, import the data into specialized spectroscopy software like Origin Lab, GraphPad Prism, or Python with NumPy and Matplotlib. These tools provide advanced peak-fitting baseline correction kinetics analysis and publication quality graphing capabilities beyond UVProbe's built-in features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.